Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody sent me this drawing. It's pretty fuzzy. Evidently they're printing a manual to put something together. And they want the blue on the outside gone, they want the blue on the inside to change to a different color or put in a different color. So I'm gonna hit the plus key and make a duplicate like I always do. I'm gonna grab all this and I'm gonna duplicate it. And we've got rid of the blue on the outside. We can actually take our line now and move it over there if we want. This is where it gets pretty tricky. And if you look at this pixelization or whatever it is on the outside, not a very good drawing. I don't mean anything by that. It's just kind of fuzzy. So we're going to make a duplicate of that and move it over down. And now we're going to take this one and trace it. Outline, trace, clip art. And what's going to happen now, we got these two objects. And now if we move them over to here, we should be able to take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in. And now we have a void. Now we'll take the Smart Fill tool, let's fill it with yellow just to make it different. And let's move that pretty far out of the way. Whoop. So what I'm doing is I'm making two spots, the shape of our items. We're going to go to group and Control G and group it together. So this is our original picture. So what I'm going to do now, and there's a couple of options. I don't know which one's going to work best. We're going to just try to intersect it. And there we go. We've got the two parts. Now we take our circle, our ellipse, and let's make it a totally different color. Go to Object, Order, back a page. Now you have those two objects. They're still fuzzy, and the bitmap's taken away. And you could probably clean up some of this because it's the original picture, with the exception that it's cut it out the blue. So we took these here, and you could quite possibly ungroup them and take this blue away, the haze. That's the bitmap was picking up the haze, or the parts that we were talking about earlier. And if we go like right here and turn this into a line, of course you'd have to take some time to do it for real, and we had both of those selected, so just select one. So you're gonna get, you could smooth it out if you have X7 or above. You could use the smoothing tool, make it like a 1/4 inch round, and smooth out this drawing. You're not going to change the quality, but you're going to get rid of some of this roughness. So now let's kind of, and if we, one, he's going to know what the picture looks like better than I do. We could bring this shape tool down, actually maybe you can bring this one in. I don't know what the part looks like. And, just keep changing all the way around. We'll do a little bit of work down here just so we can see the difference. But the smoothing tool would work real well in this case, just to smooth out that haze. There could still be a haze because it was there before, but now it's going to show up more when you put a different color in it. And I would go around and get it even closer. And especially on this one that's got these notches. You could take the shape tool and actually make it go down in there. Add a node right there by double clicking and go right here. Add a node right there by double clicking and, just make it look a little cleaner. You could do that all the way around. Same thing on the shape tool or the smoothing tool. Just smooth it out a little bit. You're only going to really smooth out the outside edge. That's already cleaned it up quite a bit. And then if you do what we did before with the pink box, it's going to look a lot better. So you can definitely see that blue haze, but it's a drawing. And I think it would actually look better if you take a lot of that blue haze away. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.